All right, now, so let's go ahead and try and change the status of the bookings right here. So all what we're gonna do, we're just gonna click this button. You should go to another page. All right, and this page will contain a select box, and we will perform updating. We'll perform an updating query, and then we will go back to the bookings page like that. So it's not gonna be a big deal. All right, so the first step, it will actually be clicking this link and then going to another page. All right, and simply echoing out or displaying the data of the current booking. All right, and just displaying a very simple select box inside a form. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So I'm just gonna go right there, copy this, and this will be a type of get, and this will be a link of edit dash booking, like that. All right, and of course we need to pass in the ID so we can know to which booking that we're trying to display data for, of course. And this right here will be edit bookings, like that, and the name it will be edit dot bookings, like that. So save this. Let's copy this function right there. Let's go ahead and paste. All right, so this is not the function. Let me copy this once again. Let me paste right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna go right there and paste, and let me cut this and let me paste like that. And right here I'm just gonna pass in the ID because I passed it in the link, if you remember. And right here I'm just gonna go at this part. I'm gonna go edit, or just booking, simply. Right here I'm gonna go, and of course the data will be selected from the reservation model right here, and I'm gonna remove this part. So I'm just gonna go find the ID right there. So if it found this ID right here, this variable will hold the whole row, so we can actually delete, so we can grab the pieces of data. All right, so paste this in, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna create a page of edit booking, like that. Save this. Let's copy this, and let's go ahead to my resources for you to views. Admins right there. Let me go ahead and paste this in, and let's go .blade.php, like that. And I don't have a page for the edit booking, or for the edit status right there. So what I'm gonna do is actually grab some kind of form that has some kind of select box, and if we go to create cities, for example, we will find this right here. So I'm just gonna copy the whole page. I know, like, this is too much, but we're gonna edit it anyway, so let me paste like that. All right, so we need to include our let me see, we're gonna include, of course, our admin, which is the template master. And right here I'm just gonna go edit or update booking status, like that. All right, so we will have some kind of form right here. Let's not work with the action for now, just for now, and we're not gonna need any one of those inputs. Let's just delete. All right, so we will only need a select box, which is this select box right here, nothing else. So let me delete all of these inputs right here. All right, it's going to be pretty simple. So as you can see, we only have this select box, and this select box will be, we're gonna go choose status, like that, and we're not gonna do any kind of for each. All right, so the options right here are gonna be only two options. So this will be processing, for example, and the content, it will also be processing. And right here, this will be poked successfully, and also this will be the HTML content right here. All right, so let me copy the word processing, which is right there, and let's paste it right here and right here. All right, great. So this is country. No, I'm not gonna, the name also right there, it should be status. All right, not country ID. I'm gonna also paste it right here at this part that displays the error code. At this part that displays the error. Sorry. All right. So what I'm gonna do next is just save. Let's see what we actually got. All right. Actually, yeah, I should go. I can go. Let me see. I can go right under this. I can. Since I already sent the booking, if you look at if you look right over here, since I sent the booking variable right there, object, I can just go current status, and I can go. Let's make this some kind of paragraph, and I'm gonna go right here, current status. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the booking, the current status, like that. All right, I'm gonna make this bold, for example. So I'm just gonna go bold like that. Does anybody even use this tag anymore? I don't know. It's very old. So yeah, if we save this, let's now refresh. All right, did we even send the ID dynamically? No, we did not. So let's go to the all bookings. Let's go at this part, and let's go route. Let's go edit dot bookings like that, and we're gonna just send in the ID right along with this. So there we go. Save right now. Now if we refresh. All right, so as you can see right there, here it is. We're sending in the ID right along with this. So if I go to the last booking, as you can see, the status is it's processing right here. If I click on this, all right, so as you can see, update booking status, and the current status is simply processing right here. And there it is, our select box, with the with the options right here, processing and booked successfully. So yeah, let's go ahead and take care of the logic right now. So let me go back right there. All right, so what's going on? All right, so let me copy this and paste. So this will be a type of post, and this will be update dash booking like that. And of course, we're gonna send in the ID. All right, and right here, I'm just gonna make the function so it will be update bookings like that, and the name it will be update. So great, let's now save this, copy this function, and let me go right here, and let me go paste this in. Let's copy this function. Let me go and paste. All right, so let me cut this and paste right here. So we're gonna send in the ID, and we're also gonna send in the request since we're trying to submit a form. All right, so I'm gonna go request like that, and we're gonna separate this by a comma. All right, so right after this, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the booking right here, and we're gonna find this whole we're gonna find the ID, and if we found the ID, that means that this variable right here holds the whole row, right? For this ID, holds the whole data for this ID right here, the whole row basically. So if we hold it, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go booking right here, and we're gonna go update, and we're just gonna go request all like that. So this will allow us to simply update the data right away. All right, so after we update the data, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go to the delete city. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this code, and I'm gonna go right here, so paste this in. All right, so we go booking like that. Actually, I just keep this edit booking like that. All right, so I'm gonna also go right there and make this edit booking like that. All right, so if this worked, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna redirect back to all bookings route, and we're gonna go with an update key right here, and we're gonna go booking status All right, so status right here, booking status updated successfully like that. All right, so now let's save this. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna go to the bookings, the all bookings right here, and we should send we should paste in the code that's gonna allow us to see this message. I'm just gonna go to all cities. I'm gonna find one and just go ahead and paste it right there, right above the H5. So this is actually going to be update. Let's copy it and paste it also right here. All right, so great. What we're gonna do next is take care of the form. So let me close this off. Also close this and close this right here. Let's go to the form. So there is the form, the action right there is actually route. And if we go edit, not edit, I guess it's update dot bookings. And of course we need to send in the ID. And since we got the booking right there, we can just send the ID like that. All right. So what else do we need to do? So just select the name status, which is great. And yeah, choose status processing booked successfully. So I guess that nothing right here is going to be changing. We're just going to change the part where we have the route. All right, so save this. Let's now go ahead and refresh. All right, so there we go. So as you can see, the current status is processing. We go ahead right here and just, for example, use booked successfully. If we click create right here, as you can see, booking status updated successfully, and as you can see right there, it's working. Booked successfully like that. All right, which is awesome. Let's actually go ahead and change one more. I'm gonna go ahead and change, yeah, I'm gonna go at the button and change this from create to update like that. All right, save. Let's now go ahead and change this. As you can see, the ID is 5. If we click on this, and that status is processing, if we click right here, as you can see, there is the ID and there is the current status, which is processing. We click, we make this so it will be booked successfully. As you can see right there, booked successfully like that, which is again awesome. And we can change this back simply, for example, processing. You know, it's basically we can customize this however, you know, however what we want. So yeah, everything is working perfectly right now. So this will be all, and I will see you on the next video.